Dehydrated skin, dull complexion, want a reason to lie down? Whatever your current situation may be, just grab a sheet mask and relax. But do you want more reasons to incorporate this in your skincare routine? If yes, then sit back and watch this video. Hi guys, मैं हूँ अंकिता और आज मैं दिखाने वाली हूँ 5 skincare benefits of using a sheet mask. पर उससे पहले हमेशा की तरह हमारे Be Beautiful चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो and ring the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. The first benefit of using a sheet mask is that it provides an instant burst of hydration. Harsh sun, dry winds and cold air conditioned rooms have one thing in common, and that is कि ये सारी चीजें आपकी स्किन को ड्राई बना देती हैं. Using a hydrating sheet mask will drench your face in moisture boosting active ingredients that will inject new life into your dry and dehydrated skin. So if you are looking for the kick of hydration, I have a sheet mask recommendation. This is the Lakme Blush and Glow Watermelon Sheet Mask. It is enriched with 100% pure watermelon extracts. Watermelon, as you know, has a high water content, which is beneficial when wanting to add a burst of hydration. Plus, it has glycerine, which helps to re-infuse lost moisture into tired skin, making it look fresh and glowing. The second benefit of a sheet mask is that it firms and plumps the skin. How, you may ask? It's simple. When you apply a sheet mask, the hydrating skin ingredients create a moisture barrier. This moisture barrier helps retain moisture, which immediately causes skin to visibly plump by smoothing out fine lines, wrinkles and rough texture. अगर आप एक ऐसे sheet mask की खोज में हो जो आपके skin को firm और plump बनाएगा, तो look no further. This should be your pick. This is the Pond's Youthful Plumbing Sheet Mask with vitamin A and 100% natural tomato. This sheet mask is formulated with 100% natural tomatoes and vitamin A. अब tomatoes में है vitamin C, which improves skin's elasticity and makes it firm, while also tightening the skin and shrinking pores, thanks to its astringent properties. इसके अलावा it has vitamin A, which is beneficial in promoting cell turnover, which in turn increases firmness and elasticity in your skin. Sheet mask का तीसरा benefit है कि it revitalizes the skin. Reason being, most sheet masks contain moisturizing acids, ceramides, which help restore the skin's barrier, and antioxidants which defend against free radicals that destroy skin's connective tissue. अगर आप free radical damage को कम करना चाहते हो, तो let me suggest a sheet mask for you. This is the St. Ives Acai Blueberry and Chia Seed Oil Sheet Mask. All these ingredients are rich in antioxidants which help neutralize free radicals by giving up some of their own electrons. In making this sacrifice, they act as a natural off switch for the free radicals, leaving your skin looking revitalized, fresh and glowing. Next benefit of using a sheet mask is that it nourishes the skin. Since sheet masks contain concentrated ingredients, over the course of 15 minutes of application, the skin soaks in these ingredients which help get rid of underlying dehydration and dryness, ensuring that your cells are filled with moisture and completely nourished. If you're looking to nourish the skin, this is the one for you. It's the Pond's Nourishing Sheet Mask with vitamin E and 100% natural avocado. This sheet mask is formulated with 100% natural avocado. अब जो oil होता है avocados में, that will deeply penetrate the skin to nourish, soften and hydrate. साथ ही इसमें है vitamin E that increases the blood supply to the skin, which ultimately raises the nourishment to the skin. And the last benefit of a sheet mask is it brightens up the complexion. Stress, dehydration, poor diet, dead skin cells और environmental factors, ये कुछ कारण है जो हमारी स्किन को डल और एग्जॉस्ट कर देते हैं. This leads to our skin losing its shine and glow. One of the most effective ingredients that help brighten skin complexion is vitamin C, as it will inhibit the pathway of abnormal production of skin pigments, also known as melanin. This unique property of vitamin C lightens dark spots without altering your normal skin's pigmentation. Here is a sheet mask infused with vitamin C. This is the Pond's brightening sheet mask with vitamin C and 100% natural pineapple. The pineapple in it is rich in AHAs, also known as alpha hydroxy acids, that exfoliate dead skin cells, and the enzymes called bromelain in it will break down dry and dead skin cells, ultimately leading to softer, smoother and brighter complexion. So guys, ये है 5 skincare benefits of sheet mask. जाने से पहले इस वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर जरूर करें and subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel. And while you're still at it, ring the bell icon for further notifications.